Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the language on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So first of all, let's go to our main menu, find your settings here, click on them, and now scroll down until you see your general management section. Here it is, click on it as well. Now click on the language section, it's the first one. Now if there are any languages available, press on add language. In here you can choose from the list. Let's choose German, for example. Here it is, click. So if you want to set up a new language for a phone, press set as default and give it some time to apply. Now as you see, our phone is in German language. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.